Yep.
All right, I'm going to do, let's do another voltage diagram. Can't spell voltage. Let's try doing the tricky one here. Let's do the delta to Y step down. Very common, used all over the place. So if it's delta to Y step down, this will be our high side, this will be our low side. So we're going to draw our high side first, and with a delta, I'll get my little start point here. With the delta, yeah, we know we have a little 30-degree little spot right there, which is our start point, but we know our delta is going to be at 60 degrees. Turn that over so I can see what I'm doing. Can you see the page there, Night Dog?
Mm-hmm.
First one is going to be that long. I'll get a ruler. And I'm going to make that one there, say 5.5 centimeters. My delta. So that's T1, headed that direction. Next one is going to be T2, and T2 is going to be 5.5, and it's going to be coming off of here. And there's 60 degrees right here. That's going to come down here. 5.5, yeah, I actually did that measurement right. That's supposed to be black. Let's try some black ink. There we go. Boom. That's going to be T2. We're going to slide over here. And this one, that's a little bit long, but I didn't get it totally to scale. Like so, in the blue. T3. So, get a little bit of color here. This is going to be H1, H2, T1. So H2 connects to H1 of transformer 2. H2 of transformer 2 connects to H1 of transformer 3, and so on. All right? 30 degrees, 30, 30, oh, pardon me. 60, 60, 60. All right, so now let's just think of this is our high side. So we got our high side, and we want to do a delta to Y step down. So our low side is going to be Y. So what I'm going to do, instead of using that for a start line, I'm going to just move up to here, make a new start line. But I'm going to draw one that's going to be 5.5. But look what color I'm using here. Remember, I need to be parallel and going the same direction. So the first one I'm going to draw is actually T3. There's T3. So right now, T3 is going this way. This is going to be X1. That's going to be X2. So looking at that spot right there, my next one has to be, T1 has to be parallel and going the same direction. So now I take a look at that degree from that line. That is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees from there. So that's my son, other son, Jake, playing Fortnite in the background.
Gamer.
And up to there. And that's going to be T1. And that's going to be X1. That's going to be X2. So now, coming down the way, at 120 degrees, I'm just going to measure that 120 off of here. So put a little bit of love into this. So, Boom. So look at that. X1, X2. It's going to be T2. So look how kind of strange that looks. I got a delta to Y, but look what I'm tying to the middle for my net grounded neutral point. And if you go look at any delta Y transformer, the transformer connections on the tag will look like that, with that one pointing that direction. And I'll send you a picture of that. Right? Great. T1, T1, T3, T3, T2, T2. Thanks, Nate.